Hey guys, Carrie Ann here. Thank you for coming back to my channel. I wanted to do a makeup haul with you guys today. I kind of splurge on a ton of makeup and I wanted to share it with you guys. So let's get started. First thing that I got was actually the Sultry Anastasia Beverly Hills makeup palette that I got, and this has smoky eyeshadows and you can blend it with some really pretty glitterly that's not even a word, glitter eyeshadows that are very pigmented. I am so in love with this palette. I did do my eyeshadow today and I did do it with this palette. It is so pretty. I highly recommend it. I got it on sale. They were having a clearance at Ulta and I did only get it for $27. Typically it runs for about $45. But this is the palette and it is so gorgeous. I love all of the colors. Definitely amazing deal. Hopefully they're still at Ulta. You could buy them or go to the store to buy them, and hopefully they will have extras. So really funny story is that I actually went to Ulta and I got this palette, and the initial palette that I had gotten, it was completely broken. It's depressing. I was so sad, and so I ended up going back to the store. Luckily the store returns and exchanges, and I was so happy that I could get this brand new beautiful palette. The next thing that I got was, well, I went with my friend to go to TJ Maxx, and of course whenever I go to TJ Maxx I can't just buy one thing. I feel like I have to buy everything, and it just they have everything in there. They have home stuff, they have clothes, they have shoes, they have luggage, makeup, skincare, this, that. I can go on and on with what they sell at TJ Maxx, but I ended up going a little bit crazy. I spent more than I should, but I did buy a few things there as well. I'm not going to show you everything, but I will show you two things that I got from there. I got this Shade+Light Kat Von D contour palette, and I saw it and I couldn't believe that it was only $25 because I've been keeping my eye on this and I've needed a cream contour that works really well for my skin. I'm wearing it right now actually, and I'm using the banana, which is right here, and then the woodland, which is right below. I think they go very well together. It's really hard to find good colors in a cream contour and ones that are going to work really well for my skin, and I found that these have been working very well. They stay very moisturizing. By the end of the day I am a little oily. There's a lot of oil in this palette of creams, but I do overall like the colors and I do like how it looks on my skin. From TJ Maxx I also got this Fiore Vince Camuto. Am I saying it right? That's so bad that I don't I'm terrible. So I got this fragrance. It is so nice. It's very light. It's definitely for a day wear, and it just smells so flowery and beautiful, but it also still has that like really strong fragrance that lasts for a long time. I really hate when it doesn't stay for that long. I do like this because it does stay on longer, and I feel like the scent radiates throughout the room and people can smell it and they know that it's me walking into a room. I also went to Target and I did get some stuff from there as well. I got these Real Technique by Sam and Nick, and they're these brushes that I think work really well with highlight and with cream contour. I used this rounded brush and I used it on my contour, and I think it works really well. It's really hard to find a brush that's small enough that's going to work on the cheekbone and that's also going to work as a great highlight on the tops of my contour as well, and the bridge of my nose. So I've realized that these are really great brushes that I've used in order to apply my highlight and my contour with. I never used these before, so it's definitely something new that I've tried as far as brushes are concerned. I'm a little hesitant on brushes, especially when I buy them from Target or like a drugstore, because I don't know how they're going to work on my skin. I don't know if they're going to work and be really smooth on my skin, because I do have a lot of problem areas on the surface of my skin and a lot of craters and things that I don't like, but I do enjoy using these brushes and they do work well and smooth out those imperfections and help with my contour. So I really do like these brushes. If you guys want to go to Ulta, I believe that they have them there as well. But Real Techniques, it's a really good brand and it is not expensive. I think I got these for like $10. And then I also got these Real Technique 4 Mini Miracle complexion sponges. I've used the Beauty Blender and these ones are actually so unbelievably close. I couldn't believe it. These cover so well. I am so impressed by these, and these are absolutely amazing. And these were, I believe, like $7 to $10, and I think they're such a great deal, especially from Target. And I've realized that the brushes, like the e.l.f. brushes, work really well. I'm just impressed with how the drugstore has really upped their game as far as using brushes and makeup products to be applied so much better than they used to, and I think they're amazing. I also got this Becca highlight, and this is in small size, and this one is the Champagne Pop. I know a lot of people use the Champagne Pop. I'm not wearing it right now because I don't have any highlight on right now, but it is so pretty. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I think that Becca has the most beautiful highlights, or one of the most beautiful highlights that you can buy on the market right now, and they're so gorgeous. They are really pricey. This little one was $17, I believe, from Ulta, but seriously, these highlights are great. I think they're wonderful, and I think, like I said, that one of the best highlights that you can buy, and they stay on for the entire day. The next thing that I got was this Jaclyn Hill palette. I love the colors. This is the palette and it has so many different varieties of colors. She did obviously collab with Morphe, and I love the Morphe palettes and their eyeshadows. They're great for a great cost. This palette was $38, but I think it was worth every penny, most definitely, because you can use this basically for any kind of look. Nighttime, daytime, it works so well. The colors blend so easily, and I think she did an amazing job with hooking up with Morphe and putting this palette together. The last thing that I got was the most amazing I love eyelashes. I love eyelashes. I always get too many eyelashes, and then I'm like I have an infinite supply of eyelashes. I have 747 medium eyelashes. I got my eyelashes from my AliExpress. I get my big fluttery eyelashes from AliExpress, and then I just get like, I'm not even kidding you, I go crazy on my eyelashes. I think they're so much fun. I think that's the same one that I showed last time. Can't do without them. I wear them every single day, and I just think they are so pretty, and they just exaggerate my look, which I love. I love making my big eyes even bigger, and my my eyeshadow make it look even more intensified because of my lashes. I'm obsessed with eyelashes. I go everywhere for my eyelashes. I buy them for really cheap. I'll double wear them, and so I'll put 2 of them together and then I'll just put them on. But I've been wearing eyelashes for over 10 years now, and I can't live without them. I love them, I enjoy them, and I don't believe that you have to buy really expensive lashes in order to get the look that you want, because you can get cheaper lashes and you can just double them up, like I said, put 2 of them together and make your own mink looking lashes that will last you such a long time. I did try doing the fake lashes where you'd put them on individually, but to be honest with you, I think if you can do your lashes and you can put them on by yourself in strips, it's a lot cheaper, it's a lot easier, and I think it's so much more fun. So I hope you like this video. I just wanted to share with you guys not a couple, but some stuff that I've been buying over the past week. I'm excited I get to share with you, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. Okay, you guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.